Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
So today, ang plano namin is punta kami ng Mount Fuji. Mag-book si Bambam sa Klook. It's around $500. So pipick-upin kami rito. I don't know kung ilang oras yan. Probably 3 hours away from. So I checked the weather. It's around 18 degrees Fahrenheit. In Celsius, it's -8. Let's see. This is what morning looks like in Tokyo. Wala pa masyadong tao ngayon because it's 8 in the morning. Hindi pa masyadong busy. Kaya pa yan.
Bukas pag-aabi.
Sak.
I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it now, you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, it's so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause
Nasaan daw tayo?
Village.
Anong village? Village nila Mamo? Alright.
Teachers. Mahirap, alalahanan.
Para ako nasa anime. So I think ito yung unang first stop namin. Nakalimutan ko kung anong village eh, pero village na lang ni Mamo. So ayun yung Mount Fuji.
Ang ganda dito. Jump di tayo dyan, man.
Yung sign.
Also a view from the bridge, from this bridge.
Oh, ito, ganda view ba? Nice view. The bridge.
Sabi ng tour guide namin. Itong village na to by 1963. 63, di ba? 66 is na-destroy ng typhoon. Tapos, ni-rebuild tong village na to, pero ngayon wala na nakatira. Just for the tourists na lang daw to. Okay, nakabili na kami ng ticket. Pumasok dito sa village.
Matcha daw ang signature.
Ha?
This village is handmade.
Handmade?
Almost 25 minutes. We can stay here. And then we go for the next.
Okay. Wala naman tayo. Kaya pinakaano sa Intibares, wag mo. Wala.
It's like up there now.
Yun ba? Sa likod mo.
Oh, imagine living this with the view. Get that. Imagine nyo guys, dito kayo nakatara with the view at the back.
Picture tayo dito. Ang CR?
Mukha pa si Aryan ma. Tapos yun.
Ito sila before.
So you also understood the writing. It's like Arabic, organized for Arabic, but I don't understand.
Sabi nila, driver yan daw sila dati.
Also speak Arabic.
This village.
Lake Psycho.
Yeah.
So where are we?
Oh, we are here.
Oh, we are here. Oh, that means there is a like lake here, huh?
Yes.
Oh.
Sinisipon na siya. Nakakita.
Nakatira tao dito dati. Imagine mo dyan ka nakatira dati ba?
Ha?
Imagine mo dyan ka nakatira dati. Tapos yung lugar na to naging ano na, tourist spot na lang. Yan ang typical house ng mga Japanese. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam kung ano to.
Baka sumabog yan, Bam.
Ano yan? Wala na.
Gawin ka ba kita pa dyan?
Ano yung mga souvenirs? Oh, dito ka nakatira. Kita mo siya. Look, guys. Dog house. Spot na to. Ilang pupunta ba natin? 5, di ba?
Bam.
Hindi ka. Kalimutan ko yung mic. So, kailangan ko muna sumigaw. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami next. Pero, on to the next one.
Oh, ganun.
This is what you call Lake Kuwagochiko. Tapos kita mo rito yung Fuji. Hindi ko alam kung na-pronounce ko siya ng correctly, pero yeah. Ang dami rin tourist dito kasi talaga tourist man siya. Like right there, look at the view. Saan ka pupunta? Ito ang Mount Fuji, I guess. I guess, ha? Hindi ako nag-assume. Look at that. So good. Nasa may gift shop kami. Souvenir. Ano siya? So far so good, Bambam? So far so good, but the weather is cold nga lang.
Yeah, but that's just always, it's always a good thing.
Ano binibili mo? Ano yan?
Monthly.
Yan na lang siguro, mas 8. Magkano siya? 864. Dalawa?
Okay na tax. Kasi sila papa baka may bibili para taxi tayo. If 5 pataas. Cable car yan. Ayun nga, cable car. Do you wanna go there? I wanna try it.
Kumain muna tayo.
Yeah, after.
O, kain muna kami. Dito. Ganap kami nakakainan. Tapos doon, merong cable car. Ah, ayan. Ayan pa, cable car.
Kakain daw.
Ayan. Masarap din ng mga Indian food. Ayan, kebab. Masarap din yan, bro. Indian food yan. Dito ka. Ito ata ang menu. Spicy hot. So, we got a place. Anong restaurant to? Ito ang it's coffee restaurant Lakeside.
Ito mukhang masarap to, fried cutlet.
That chicken.
Wala pa siyang kanin, bang?
Yeah, order ka na lang mo ito.
Wala siyang kanin.
Table napkin. Okay, hindi ba? Kakarap ka sa akin.
Hindi na ako nakikita.
Ano ka ba?
Sige. Chicken
Fried chicken.
Yeah, classic.
Curry cat.
Thank you.
Hindi, sa kanila yung ito yung mushroom.
The pork string? Yeah. Oh, this one.
Chicken.
Oh,
That's good.
Kasama pa kami picture?
May video po.
Pero hindi offer ka ng soup mo.
The dragon statue right there, bro. So that fountain though is galing sa Mount Fuji. So that's why some of the people is thinking it.
Sana walang puno yan. Ang maganda sana kung walang puno. Kita-kita sana. Una lapit kaya din. Talapit na kaya.
Nakasave na po yung
Nandito kami ngayon sa pang-apat namin na pupuntahan. And then, ang lamig sobra, no? And then, meron pang isa yun, yung last. Yung last na pupuntahan namin is pagoda daw yun, na may 400 steps. Sabi namin, huwag na natin na magkatin. Tsak nyo, malamig yun sa taas. Okay, last destination of the tour. So, sa gitna daw yata na ito mayroong shrine. Tapos kapag na-complete mo yung 400 steps, yun yung pagoda. Ayan, tapos na ang day trip. Na, at least nakita namin si Mount Fuji. Sobrang lamig. Hindi na namin inakyat kasi there's another like 200 steps left. Makikita mo doon is, you know, temple. So yeah, nag-enjoy ka ba? Bakit hindi ka nag-enjoy? Maganda naman siya. Ba't di ka nag-enjoy? Sabihin mo kung bakit.
61, 62, 63, 64, 64, and then 65.
Bakit hindi ka nag-enjoy?
Because of the cold weather. I mostly enjoyed in Taipei. But maybe mas maganda kung spring season ka ko pupunta here in Japan.
Malamig pa rin yung spring.
So summer.
Painit pa rin, mga summer nga. Wrong timing, pero okay lang. At least nakita naman namin si Fuji.
Fuji, na parang Toblerone.
So babalik na kami sa city.
What do you like the most? Which is better? Mount Fuji or Mount Rainier?
Ewan ko. Pero I guess both. Because they are both
Mount Fuji.
Mountain. Pero mas malaki lang daw talaga to.
Ano ba?
Oh, yeah. So babalik namin ng Tokyo. Makapagpahinga. Kasi hindi pa kami masyadong nakakatulog. Nag-work siya ng may meeting siya ng 3 o'clock to 3:30. Tapos gumising kami ng 7 o'clock, so hindi kami masyadong nakatulog. So 2 hours drive. 2 hours drive from here to the city. Ewan ko pa, more than siguro kasi traffic na. Kasi
Yung damit niya, uniform po niya.
hindi po. Hindi naman kami masyado nag-impake. Kaya kung ano yung nakikita nyo from day 1 here in Tokyo, yun pa rin.
Tokyo.
So, dito kami ngayon. Magbibilyar kami, magpipinsan muna. Kasi sarado na yung mga shop eh. Yung mga kailangan namin for tignan. Kaya yan, magbibilyar muna kami. Yeah, bilyar.
So it's 1,700 yen per person for 30 minutes.
Okay.
了解です。
ゴルフの場合は、自動延長じゃなくて先にお時間をしてまして、ご利用時間何分ほどかしてもよろしいですか？
We have to determine how much time we want to play. 30 minutes?
That's too scary. Parang mali yung hawak niya. Ito mali yung ano niyan. Ganito ba mo? Ganito daw. Ito dapat nakaganyan sa ito. Mahirap eh. Oo. Yan ganyan. Ito nakaharap dito. Maling-maling. Ito yan. Yan, ganyan. Para nagsusunod daw. Yan, nagaganon. Ganda. Ang layo!
Ay, God.
Alex.
Alex, up. Sige, sila na.
Come to